We've all seen those maps that use photographs to fill polygons. Here's how you can do this in ArcGIS Pro. We're going to fill each state with its state flag. I'll open the symbology panel, and instead of single symbol, I'll choose unique values and set that value to the state name. Then I'll pick one of these states and get rid of the outline and set the fill to a picture fill. I'll give its quality, picture quality. I'll make its size something big enough to see, let's say 100 points. And then I'll navigate to my picture file. Now I have a state filled with an image of its state flag. Do I have to repeat every one of these little steps for all 50 states? No, I can create a style out of this, and that'll give me a head start on the rest. So with it saved as a favorite, I can expand this more option, format all symbols, and just pick this flag style from the gallery. Then it's a matter of going through each state and updating its flag image. And of course, you can always dig into the individual states in their pictures and offset them or resize them to position them as needed. Have fun!